Hi everyone, my name is Namrata. Today I'm going to teach you a painting which you can make by an ingredient which is easily available at your home, and that ingredient is coffee. So yes, we are going to do coffee painting today. I'm going to teach you like very simple painting that you can paint with coffee, and if you are an absolute beginner, you have no idea like how to paint, so don't worry about that. I'm there to help you, and I'm not making this video fast forward, so you can actually paint with me. To paint with coffee you need certain ingredients, so I will just introduce what all material I'm using. The first ingredient that you will need is coffee. Then we require a thick sheet. The size of my sheet is A5. You can use A4 size also, no problem. Okay. Then we need two brushes, one big brush and one small brush. Then we need tissue paper. We need a palette. We need some water. And we need black color. So we are going to draw something on the background. So for that we require very dark color, and that's why we are using black color. So you can use poster colors, fabric colors or watercolors. Any black color will do for that. Yes, so we're done with the material, and let's start now with the painting. First thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take little bit of coffee in 3 quantities. So first quantity is small, okay. Next quantity is medium, so little more than small. And third quantity is large quantity. Now what we are going to do, we are going to add water in these quantities. So in the small proportion I'll add 5 drops of water. In the medium I will add 3 drops of water, and in the large proportion I will add 2 drops of water. Okay, so I've added the water in it, and now I'm going to mix the coffee. Make sure you mix the coffee very well. There should not be any lumps left in the coffee. First thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to show you the light color. So light color will look something like this. Medium color will look something like this. Okay, and dark color will look something like this. Okay, so now we have 3 shades of color: light, medium and dark. Okay, so we are good to go. Next thing I will start with the sun. Okay, so for the sun what I'm going to do, and I'll start coloring it. Yes. Now I'm just taking my nice plain medium color, and with plain medium color I will make another semicircle like this, and I will start coloring this portion. If you can't find much difference, you can add little darker shade in between. Okay, and then the last color is the darkest color. With darkest color I will color the remaining portion. If you want like even little darker shade than this, then you can add brown color in it. Little dark brown color will look nice. Okay, I'm taking darkest shade and I'm applying. Okay, so this is how my background is ready. I'm going to wait for some time so that it dries properly. Meanwhile, what you can do, you can take out little black color in your palette. So I'm going to put it over here only, now that in the dark brown color. Okay. And in black color what I'm going to do, whatever all these remaining colors I have, that I'm going to mix. If you don't have any color left, don't worry, just add water. Okay, I'm adding it so that my color will not go waste. Okay, like this. You can wash your brush and keep it aside, big brush. Okay. So after 10 minutes your painting dries very nicely, and now my painting has dried. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the smallest brush and I'm taking black color. So I will draw the trunk of the tree. Okay, let's call it as branch only. Now I'm going to draw some thin branches like this. You can make as many branches you want. I'm now adding. Okay, and I'm going to add small leaves like this. Over here I'll draw two birds like this flying in the sky, and let me just show some grass over here. So in this way our drawing is ready, and this is how it looks. You can give it a try, it's very simple and easy. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you have any questions you can put it in the comment box, and you can message me anytime on YouTube or Facebook. Completely fine, you can message me, I'll help you. And you can, if you try this, do send me your artworks. I would love to see them. Okay, have a nice day and keep painting.